Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this super cute abstract spring-filled nail set that I did. If you want to see how I got this, stay tuned and thanks for watching. So of course, first you're going to want to start off by buffing your nails. You're going to want to start by buffing them, filing them, and that's all I do. I just go ahead and buff the top part. I don't really buff the bottom unless I'm reshaping them. But I do go ahead and take my MAKARTT filer and I just go ahead and file the bottom part where it's like a little extra piece of plastic, and then I go back and forth between that and buffing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my base coat. I'm using the MAKARTT base coat. It did come with my polygel kit, so I'm just going to use this. It's a really good base coat. I only do this because the nails are going to be clear. I'm just going to go ahead and begin my thumbnail. I am just going to do like a small half circle, nothing major. I believe for this one I'm just doing a half circle and then one line down the middle, just because I wasn't being like too meticulous or anything, just trying to figure out what exactly I was going to do because I didn't have an exact idea what I was going to do for the design. So this is what I got. So the way I'm going to be doing this line is kind of make it wide at the top and then wide at the bottom, just to cover the little number at the bottom of the nail. I will be saying this throughout the video because most of the designs I'm going to be trying to cover up the number at the bottom. Now moving on to the next thumb, I am going to be doing an outline cuticle type of design at the top, and then at the bottom part I'm going to be doing a half tip. Onto the pointer nail. This one I'm going to be using like a green color. Super cute, but I'm also going to be kind of mimicking the first thumb design with the half circle on the side and then a line down the middle. Real simple, real easy. So for this pinky, I'm just going to be taking a small piece of gel polish, putting it at the tip, and then a little bit at the top later on, just trying to cover up this little number right now, just because it's kind of annoying. Some of the other nails I got away with it, but anyways, just cover up the bottom part, and then you're going to do the top part. So basically just making a little tip line at the bottom, and then a cuticle top at the bottom, and then a line right in the middle. So for this green nail, this one's pretty chill as well, just because the design is not too complex. it's just one swirl at the top, and then you'll get like a little tip at the bottom. As you'll probably hear me say throughout the video, I am trying to do my best on covering up the numbers, again because I don't have my e-file until the next day. So I'm just trying to cover up the number with the polish and like kind of mix it in with the design, so it's not like real repetitive. But I do really like the half tip, like that's kind of one of my favorite designs, so yeah. So normally what I was trying to do in this design was cover up the numbers at the bottom of the nails, but because I didn't get my e-file till the next day, this one was pretty okay, so I just kind of left it alone, and this one's pretty self-explanatory. But moving on to the next nail, so this one also is pretty easy. It's just the white nail, and all this one is just swirls and lines, and it's pretty easy. Just have a really thin brush like I have, and then you'll be alright. Okay, so I kind of forgot about this part of the nail, but so this part I'm just going to be doing 2 half circles, but these ones were a little bit more challenging just because I kept like adding too much paint, so be cautious of how much paint you're grabbing with your brush. But I did go back eventually and clean up the lines just because I did want it to look a particular way. So yeah, just make sure that you're not grabbing way too much paint like I did right there. It's like a little bubble in the middle, but I do eventually go ahead and clean it up because I need them to be as even as possible. So for this nail, I am going to be doing a design that is going to be covering up the little number at the bottom. I didn't get my e-file until the next day after I completed this set, so that's why I couldn't file down the numbers at the bottom, but it's okay. So we're just going to go ahead and cover it up with this cute old design, cover the number, and that's all you got to do is just follow the design. And this is the final look. It's so bomb to me. It's really spring, so cute. It's nice and clear. Thank you so much for watching.